Hello guys, this video is about how to perform a factory reset on an LG Smart TV. A factory reset is a way to restore your LG TV to its original state. This can be helpful if you're experiencing problems or issues with your TV, or if you want to do away with your TV. All personalized TV settings will be wiped out after this process. So we're going to deal with performing a factory reset on a TV running a WebOS operating system. The WebOS is the latest operating system in an LG TV, Smart TV. So the process goes like this. To do this, you have to start by pressing the home or start button on your remote control, which will open the launcher, and then you locate and select the settings icon, which is in the upper right corner of the screen. From there, you have to choose all settings at the bottom right corner, and you proceed with selecting general and select reset to initial settings. From there you can enter your password if you need to, and your TV will restart. If you have not set your password, you can use the default password is usually 0000, or you can use 1234 depending on if you've set it or not. So your TV will proceed with the setup process, initial setup process, if it's the first time, right? Yes. And for performing a factory reset on the older TV, running the netcast, you should read the description of the video for the guideline. And I also want to tell you a few things that you need to keep in mind before performing a factory reset on your LG TV. Number one, you may ensure that all your settings will be reset, because once all your settings reset, you have to make a custom reset, after the process, and any data that is stored on an external device will be deleted. Any external device that is connected to a TV, the data will be wiped out. If you have a password on your TV, you will need to enter it again, because as we previously said, a factory reset will wipe out all the previous data, the current data in the TV. So if you are not sure how to do it, or how to perform a factory reset on your TV, it's better you look for the manual, the TV manual, or you contact LG support for help. You can go to our website and detail the process on how to go about it there. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.